So we are about to try experiment. We are gonna can 1 pint of pickled radishes because we've never had pickled radishes. So we're gonna try it to see if we like it or not. And I don't want to can a bunch of it because if we don't like it, we don't want a bunch of cans of stuff we don't like. But I do have a little help in the kitchen. He's chopping the radishes for me. Thank you, Vince. He's making nice, smooth, thin slices. Okay, so now we're gonna make our brine to put in with our radishes that Vince chopped up for me. Leave about a 1/2 inch of head space at the top here. And in this brine, we have 3/4 of a cup of white vinegar. We have 3/4 of a cup of water. We have 2 teaspoons of salt. 1, 2. And then we have 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. We don't have any maple syrup, so we're gonna try this Golden Eagle syrup. Because this is our first time doing the recipe. We don't know what it's supposed to taste like, so we can't compare it. So we're just gonna go with this. And because I don't want to go buy a whole thing of honey or a whole thing of maple syrup for 3 tablespoons. So we're just gonna use this Golden Eagle syrup here, see how that works out. But we're gonna put 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that was very generous tablespoons. Now you're just supposed to let it boil. So that's the salt, the vinegar, the water, and the syrup. So we do have our lid in here boiling in this water, so we can put it on our jar once we get done for it to seal up. Okay, we got our radishes chopped up in here. Now we're going to put 2 cloves of garlic in a jar. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorn. And the recipe calls for red flakes, pepper flakes, but we don't have that, so we're going to use some cayenne pepper to give it a little kick. And I have no idea how much I just put in there. You'll guesstimate it, and you don't even have to put it in there if you don't want it. Alright, so our brine is ready. Our lid's been boiling over there. So now we have to take our brine and we have to put it in our jar. So we can cut it off. So we got it in there. Now we have to get the lid over here to our jar. Get our ring. So now we got our lid on there. We're gonna put this ring on there. And we're just gonna hand tighten it down. And we're gonna set it aside and hope it seals. We'll see. And when it seals, you won't be able to do that. The top of it won't go up and down. So I'm just going to set it to the side, waiting to see if it seals. They sure are pretty in that jar. I hope they taste good. Our pickled radishes have now sealed. You can't, the top won't go up and down, it's sealed. I think they're just a beautiful color. But we'll try them soon and see how they taste. We've never had them. But I'm gonna probably let them set a day or two and then taste them. But they look great.